Hello, and welcome to Math Schedules Training. I'm Minerva, and I'll be showing you how to show or hide a split view in your current Microsoft project file. I will also show you the different views you can have in your split views. Let's get started. We will be using the sample schedule to do our showing of the split view. So the first thing you can do is, if you're in the Gantt view, you can right-click on your Gantt, and then you can go and show split, and the split will come up. Once you're in the split view, you can see that this view is task form, and you can actually make changes within here. If you right click on the gray area of your split view, you can actually look for um, predecessors and successors, resources and predecessors, resources and successors, schedule, work, cost, notes, and objects. So now that you have that, you can choose any of those. If you're done with it, what you can do, you can actually right click and then click on this show split, and it'll go away. The other way you can do it is that if you go down here to your window where there's the two arrows that are horizontal and vertical right here, there's a little space right there that you see those crosshairs that are happening. You can do that, and then you can pull it up, and then you would get your view, and then you can choose whatever view you want to look at in here. Okay, you can also go back and do that the same thing and pull it all the way down. Another way that you can go and see your split view on the bottom, so you have a bottom view, you can go to view, and then you can go and click on in split view the details. Here you have the split view for the details down here. You could also click the timeline, and you'll get the timeline at the top. So then now you have your timeline. You can open it up, and now you have your timeline. But right now, we're working more with details. So in details right here, right next to the details, it's a drop-down menu, and you have many other views that you can look at, more than what you saw on the split screen. You can actually have your task usage view. You can also have other views in here, such as resource usage. Right now I'm on line 0, so that's what it's seeing down here. So you would have to be in some other line to see if there was any resources or any task usage view or whatever. The other thing you can do is also mimic this right here at the top, or maybe not mimic, but have like the task usage right here in the details. And then you can actually have at the top, if you click on the top, you can actually change your view up here. You can go and look at more views and look for, um, let's see, which one would be a good one. I think the task usage view is a popular one. You can change it, and you can still keep your split view at the bottom as long as you click on the top and then change your view by doing that. If you don't want a detailed view anymore, you can unclick the details, and then it will be gone. So now you know how to show or hide a split view in Microsoft Project. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to my channel, Math Schedules. If you want to find more tutorials on Microsoft Project, please visit my website at mathschedules.com. Thanks.